Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to enable Instagram voice call feature, fix Instagram audio call not showing, open Play Store, then search Instagram, update your Instagram, open Instagram, click this icon. As you can see, there is no audio call option here. Click back, click Instagram profile, click three dot bar, click settings, click accounts, then select switch account type, then select switch to personal account, then restart your phone. Then open Instagram, click this icon. You can see my audio call option is here. Thanks for watching.